Hey! No clue. Hi, I'm David Visser and I'm about to take part in the Shilwar challenge. Wish me luck. What? My waist ain't that big.
Bruh.
Excellent. What? I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Coin suit tells me. Jeez, I don't understand anything here. Okay. Oh man. Can we fast forward time so I stop looking like an idiot? How did Colin figure this out? Hey! I don't think that's how it's supposed to be though. It's up. Oh shit, there's nothing at the back here. Oh man. Skip, show me. I got no clue. I didn't realize there's nothing at the back. And Colin figured it out?
Yeah.
Jeez, he's a smarter man than me. Come on, Skipper. Show me how you do it. Did I get that? Oh, I didn't even get that part right.
Shadishuda bande, sorry. Married person is done good. See?
Ah, okay. There we go.
Not much science.
And then you just go through there.
It's good.
Okay.
No.
Then you just keep going, you keep going.
It's a good wrist practice.
Yeah, that's proper workout. There we go.
Oh, Nickel, get it too. Again.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
And people actually wear these.
Yes.
Popular.
Pathans.
Ah,
Rashid Khan. Fakhr Zaman.
really?
No. This is yours.
And then this is the front.
Yeah.
Jeez, these are massive pants, these. Okay,
So this is how you.
fair enough. Well done. You learn something new every day.